Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today we're gonna talk about why studying abroad at this time is not the best option for you all, because I am facing some problems and I'm gonna share those problems with you. Like what all things are there that will affect your studies and will affect everything around you. So yeah, I will be sharing my experience and I hope this helps you. I'm not making this video to demotivate you or something. I'm just stating facts and I'm stating what I am going through right now. And guys, if you're looking for any videos related to masters, so I have made a special playlist for that, so go ahead and check it out. And guys, for the people who are here on my channel for the first time, my name is Saransh Singh and welcome to my channel Arki Vlogs. Let's get started with the video. So guys, let's get started with point number 1, and it is one of the most important point. So if you are doing masters or if you are thinking of doing masters abroad somewhere, I don't think so you will be able to go to that country or to attend that college even if you go to that country. So yeah, that's a very big drawback for us, because we have paid a premium amount. In any country that you will be applying, you are paying a premium fees to go there. As you are an international student, you are paying at least twice the amount of what a regular student is paying over there. And even by doing that, if you're not able to explore that country, if you're not able to see that country, if you're not able to be in that college, enjoy the facilities of that college, then it's of no use, guys. So now the point number 2. I was talking about the facilities. So yeah, those facilities are charged. Yes, for every facility you are being charged and you won't be able to use those facilities. So yeah, that's a big drawback. And this fees is not a very small amount or something. So every sem you might be spending around $1,500 to $1,000 for these extracurricular activities, facilities, on-campus programs, and many things are there. So yeah, you still will be charged by all those things. A majority of colleges are charging this premium fees with us, and they are still charging for the facilities and management of the campus and everything. So yeah, in my case, I am getting charged 1,200 Canadian dollars. So yeah, that's a huge amount for me, and knowing that I won't be able to use that amount is a very frustrating thing for me. So now coming to the point number 3, guys, this is actually 2:30 a.m. right now over here, and I have my lecture in 5 minutes. Yes, so this thing will be the most frustrating thing for you, and ask me, I have suffered this for a sem, and this is not at all a very good scenario for you. If you think it will be very easy, रात में lecture होगा 2 घंटे 3 घंटे होगा तो क्या होता है, but it's not. My lecture starts from 2:30 and it ends at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and I can write it and give it to you after 4 a.m. It's really difficult to just sit and listen to someone, or even if you are doing some software work, it is very difficult to do that at that time. It is damn frustrating. So guys, I'm not here to demotivate you all, but I'm just stating few facts. And if you are on a timeline, and if you have been waiting for masters or any course abroad for a very long time, and if you have a very immediate time crunch that okay, this year though I have to get over with it, like me, so you can go ahead and do it. If you haven't enrolled yet and if you don't have an offer letter, I would say just wait for this year to pass. Let 2021 end, and 2022 will be better, as in most of the developed countries would have vaccinated, I think so, almost entire population of theirs. So it will be a very good deal for you, like to go over there, because you won't have to quarantine yourself for 15-20 days, that how Canada is doing for us right now, and you will be in the same time zone. That's a very important factor. You can do a part-time job. See, right now the scenario is like that, you know, even if I want to, I can't do a job. So yeah guys, it's your decision, you can take it. If you haven't applied it yet, so I would just suggest wait for 2021 to end, or else apply for Jan 2022. It will be much better scenario for everyone. And if you are going to Australia, you can apply for Feb 2022, and if you're going to Canada, US, you can apply for different semesters also. So yeah, many intakes are there, so you have a lot of options. You can start applying now, but apply for 2022. That's my final thing. And guys, if you liked my video, I would request you all to hit a like and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you have any kinds of doubts or questions or queries, anything, you can just mention in the comment section below, and I will definitely try to help you all. As usual, I reply to each and every comment of you all. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video. Take care of yourself, stay healthy and stay strong, guys. Bye bye.